Hi! In front of me is TCL Tab 10 Max, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off app notifications on this device. First of all, you need to access Settings and click on Smart Manager. Then select Notifications over here and tap on the switcher next to an app from which you want to block notifications from, like Assistant. As you can see, all notifications, from Assistant are now off, but you can always turn them back on by clicking on the same switcher. If you wish to, you can always tap on one of your apps instead and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!